Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on a Badoo dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now after logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start matching with various different users. Now in order to block any user that you see within the encounters page, you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you will find the block option. You can simply tap on block and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this user. You can tap on the first option to block them only, and if you wish to report them as well, you can tap on block and report. Once you tap on this option, the user will immediately be blocked and they will be added onto your block list. You can also tap on the chats menu, and from here you can directly block any user that you have already matched with. In order to unblock any user, tap on the profile menu at the bottom right and then tap on the gear icon and you will find the block users menu. From here you will be able to unblock all of the users that you have blocked in your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block someone on the Badoo dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.